Okay, so if you notice, I have the unit circle up. Now at this point, every single day of the rest of this unit and the next unit, you need to have your unit circle present with you when you are doing it, because I am going to show you what's going to be absolutely life-changing. Okay, now that you have all of these pieces labeled, you can go ahead and determine any trig function value for any one of these pieces or its coterminal angles forever. Okay, the only way you can't find it specifically is if it's, say like a pi over 5, something that is not commonly on there. So let me show you how to do it. Say I give you find cosine of 30 degrees. We're going to play basic on this one. Your first step, find 30 degrees on your unit circle. Okay, so I found 30 degrees on my unit circle. I just circled it right there. Now, cosine is related to x. So now I'm going to look in my coordinate pair and find out what x is. When I look at 30 degrees in my unit circle and what my x is root 3 over 2. And that is my answer. Cosine of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. I hope you're thinking to yourselves, oh my gosh, that is so much easier than what we've been doing. And that is the point. Okay? So I want you guys to, I'm going to do one more example. How about that? And then I'm going to give you guys some to do on your own. And then this is literally going to be the gist of your homework. This is going to be kind of out of the book for today because the book doesn't go into enough detail that I like. All right, let's label that last one 1. Let's label this one 2. And I'm going to do tangent of 120 degrees. So the reason why I said tangent is because tangent is sine over cosine. So you are going to need to make that connection when you get there. So first thing, locate 120 on your unit circle. That's this chunk right here that I circled in yellow. So tangent at 120, we need to look at sine over cosine. So we go into the coordinate pair, and the coordinate pair is root 3 over 2 over negative 1/2. Now, we do not like complex fractions like this, so we need to go ahead and get rid of that negative 1/2 on the bottom, which the whole thing's a negative, so we can just multiply by 2 over 1 over 2 over 1. That cancels out. The 2's on the top cancel out, and we are left with a negative root 3, and that is your answer for tangent of 120. Okay, so that's it for these 2 examples. You guys are going to do 2 on your own, and I will give you the answers for them after that, and then you guys will hop into homework. But make sure you have your unit circle present. Super huge, super important, forever and ever, till the end of you doing math. All right, go ahead, we'll hop into the next one.